Are you trying to immigrate but not sure where and how? Well, I'm gonna tell you about the 4 easiest countries to immigrate to and how to do it.
Freezing out there. Where's your coat?
Ted, I'm Canadian. I don't need a coat. This kind of weather is nothing for me.
Moving abroad can be considered as an opportunity to leave your past behind and start a new life. The critical question here is how to make it happen. If you're in a situation where you do not know where to immigrate to and you don't know anything about it, this is a must-see for you. Let us be part of your immigration process in the near future. Nothing can be worse than making a wrong decision about the target country. With the world at your feet, where do you intend to go? Despite the fact that some countries are immigrant-friendly, there is no formula for choosing your destination. Hence, when it comes to choosing a destination, it is important to take one step back and consider many significant factors about where to go. High standards of living, better healthcare, escape from poverty or conflict zones due to environmental factors, higher education, missionary work, family influences, political reasons. These are some of the reasons you must be considering while choosing your destination, right? There are many different permits and visas, and each country has specific requirements for each immigration program. Even more, for some types of visas, you need to score a minimum of N points. Taking everything into account, expert legal advisors can make complex immigration processes simple. These are the 4 countries: Canada, Australia, Germany, Denmark. But today we will be talking about Canada specifically. How to immigrate to Canada.
In Canada, people don't care where you're from. As long as you're friendly and maybe loan them a smoke or hand over a donut.
The Express Entry program is the easiest and most common way to get into Canada. In this points-based program, you will be measured based on your language proficiency, competence, and experience in your respective field of work. The Express Entry program often takes 6 months to process. In case you have a job offer from an employer in Canada, you will be able to enter the country on an employer-specific work permit. If you have a relative who is a Canadian citizen, they can sponsor you to go to Canada. Family members who are eligible for this program are parents, spouses, and dependent children. If you have been physically present in Canada for 1,095 days of the last 5 years and have become a permanent resident, you can apply for naturalization, the legal process which allows a non-native to become a citizen in a foreign country. This could provide you with Canadian citizenship. If you are 14 to 64 years old, you have to send documents as proof that you can speak and understand French or English. Following this, you are required to pass a citizenship test, which is a total of 24 points. In case you are not within this age range, you will not be eligible. How much money do I need to bring to Canada for immigration? Depending on the number of people in your family, the costs vary. It starts from 13,300 Canadian dollars for 1 person, 16,500 Canadian dollars for 2, and 24,500 Canadian dollars for 4. Can I move to Canada without a job? Yes, you can. Your best bet would be the Express Entry program. Which province in Canada needs more immigrants? Newfoundland and Labrador need more immigrants to deal with the program of having an old population. Any questions left in your mind? Ask below so we could answer them in our next video about Australia.